Hi everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to Huawei TV, a new TV blog with organic solutions. I'm your facilitator, Huawei, your consulting advisor in construction industry, project management, planning your dream house, catering across the globe.
This presentation will be showing in how we were commissioned to deliver a culture marble factory using our skills in preparing a value engineering design. Intent by the owner's funding based on loan proceeds provided by the El Raj Bank. A day in a life of a working consultant. Vula Vinaka. During execution work on construction site, safety is important. A special huge thanks to my mates in Canada, to Tacloban City, Yangon to Tokyo, Boston to New South Wales, and from Hong Kong to Jeddah. Vula Vinaka everyone.
In 2004.
Today's topic, about Asit SME. Investor from Addis Ababa, Mr. Tesfaye Amlash to commissioned a cultured marble factory in Ethiopia, east of Africa. Operating a successful business in the construction industry means conquering today's challenging conditions, rising costs, high competition, changing laws or regulations, and right-of-way issues, land acquisition and resolution, including the recent pandemic COVID-19 in the past. The concept of delivering the EPC project would require professional boots on the ground to cater and technically assist hand-on-hand with the locals and vendors of its locality to successfully deliver a project within time, quality, and budget. In 2004, OFAC were commissioned to design, procure, and assist the client and its operation team for a project management services. In dedication with Ilmudir Hago Tesfaye Amlash. Program Case Project is a culture marble factory in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Practical tips in delivering an EPC. Design of a cultured marble factory. Identify 1. Sourcing logistical availability of chemicals and raw materials. 2. Have a good and efficient molding forms for fabrication. 3. An open market valor of contact for your sales and marketing. 4. Well-trained resources staff and fabricators to sustain demand. 5. Market sustainability of innovation industrial design will help. Most culture marble products are commonly used in retail, cafes, hotels like table and chairs, vanity, countertops, and console, many more. The design composition of the factory are as follows. The design composition and layout plan. This value engineering factory is just a mirror on what we have in Jeddah, and where the layout begins at the left side of the loading area, then grinding and cutting area, then move towards demolding area with a parallel at vibration area. Other section is the setting area, a line at oven exchanger. This section is a view of demolding area towards exchanger on rail track. This section is the control receiving for demolding area, with parallel section as the vibration area. This section is the joing area and repair. Along this section also show the sending area facing towards the grinding and cutting area. Apologies to my mate. This section is spray booth with the rail exchanger and showing TG mold for the setting area. This section show the finishing area with table and chair products just completed. The vibration room and the exchanger. Miscellaneous booths for this culture marble factory. Grinding and mixing machine with the structure of the filament winding machine. Typical admixture and chemical for the cultured marble factory. Trail production of a value. Engineering cultured marble factory. Window architrave or can be mirror framing. The significance of crucial planning of the project is the key. If you want to know more how it is effectively operates and generates monetary revenue, contact us. Please do watch and subscribe. Planning plays a huge part of delivering an EPC design project, especially projects with logistics requirements and locality skill sets unavailable in the project location. That is AB expression of construction delivery that contemplates the adjustment of the contract to defined risk associated from execution of the factory where the local hostilities may arise from mountains. So a double way of managing the execution of works contemplates the fusion of local support to nourish the transition of local fabricators to be trained properly and to establish local adaptability of factory innovations. This program has highlighted the fundamentals, information, and TASM involved in conducting an EPC design construction of a factory through analysis, or whether traveling offshore with lack of local resources and trade fabrication experience. On the other hand, the scope, task, and level of detail of the analysis are determined by the settlement objectives. By letting the client buy in the principal concept and methodologies, that will be infused to the locality resources to help execution of the project. Hi guys, thank you very much for your time. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you have not yet clicked the subscribe button, kindly click the subscribe button to keep you updated more on our adventure and innovation in the construction industry. Guys, as an advice, take control and improve your permeability across your projects. A project manager requires to give the company a good profit and revenue, so my books and publications will help you.